Hi, and welcome to this tutorial. My name is Paula and my role is Software Test Engineer. This tutorial is for those who want to be introduced into Jenkins with simple and practical examples. In my case, I'm giving my first steps in test automation, and understanding Jenkins from scratch is one of them. Also, for agile teams and collaborative environments, it's nice to have some knowledge about Jenkins. I will not explain theory, just the basic terminology of Jenkins. I will show simple examples of pipelines, such as writing pipeline scripts in Jenkins user interface and loading pipelines scripts for soft control management. All what we need is a GitHub account and Jenkins account with admin rights. This is the basic terminology you need to understand this tutorial. Java project, build, stage, and step. Stage and steps are basic pipeline syntax. Of course, you can find more definition, but these 4 definitions will be used in the tutorial. Let's start with the first example. We go to Jenkins, we log into Jenkins. In this example, I will create a simple pipeline, writing the pipeline script in Jenkins user interface. We create our first pipeline. We go to pipeline script definition. And the first pipeline will contain 2 stages. And inside the stage, 1 step. And inside the step will be executed the script. In this case, the script executed will show us by screen hello stage 1 and hello stage 2. We save it and we build the pipeline now. You can see the stage number 1 and the stage 2. And inside the stage, the script executed will show us hello stage 1. And here, the script executed show us hello stage 2. Our first build is this one, and you can check the output and the logs in console output, and also you can check the pipeline steps in this section. It's also possible to program the pipeline execution. For example, we go to our pipeline, configure, build. Periodically, I can introduce a cron job. In this case, our cron job indicates that the pipeline will be executed at 4 o'clock p.m. every working day. Save. In the second example, I will create a parameterized pipeline. Okay. I go to pipeline script definition. As you can see, I introduced a new section, is parameters. When it's executed inside the step, it will show hello world, because the first build we will show the default value hello. So we build it. You can see hello world. Console output, This is our log. We come back and we will build the second build. And you can introduce any parameters. For example, good afternoon. And this is our second build. You can see how a different test is shown by screen. Instead hello, we have good afternoon.